The state's demand for inner-line permit has been long-standing. It may be reminded that a resolution had been passed by the 60 MLAs on 19th December 2019 after the enactment of the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the same year. Different NGOs had in their own capacity urged upon the state government to approach the union government for the immediate implementation of ILP in the state. Despite talks and discussions on the matter, there has been no positive response from the state or union government's end. The neglect of the Union Ministry towards the pressing demands of the entire state of Meghalaya had caused great disappointment on the stepmotherly treatment to the northeastern region and to Meghalaya in particular. To this regard, different pressure groups and NGOs had to resort to agitational programs to make known their concerns and demands towards safeguarding the rights and privileges of the indigenous people of the state. Pressure groups like the Khasi Students' Union, the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organizations or COMSO that comprises of the Hnyotrep Youth Council, the Hnyotrep National Achik Movement and the Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People or the FKJGP, besides others, had no way out but to intensify their stir in the form of sit-in demonstrations, protest marches and road rallies, but despite their constant effort to reach out to the concerned authorities, yet nothing positive has materialized till date. The state had anxiously awaited the arrival of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah with the expectation of talks and discussions with the Honorable Union Minister towards a positive response and approval of immediate implementation of inner-line permit in Meghalaya. On 23rd January 2021, the Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah arrived as expected, but towards the close of his visit, and much to the dissatisfaction and disappointment of the government and the pressure groups alike, no talks or discussions were held, but instead the Chief Minister along with his cabinet colleagues and representatives of different NGOs were invited to the national capital for a thorough discussion on issues pertaining to the state.